Hello, everyone. If you're here for the first time, please do subscribe to this particular YouTube channel and make sure you hit on the notification bell so that whenever I drop a video, YouTube will notify you and then you rush, you go and watch to help yourself. So today we are going to continue with our tutorial on how to complete student results. So this is where we stopped in our last class. We were able to find the total, that is the overall total of the student, the overall average of the student, and the overall position in the class. I know this is the most complex part of a class, or this is the most complex aspect in the life of a teacher when it comes to position, more especially if you are living in an area where we have people that always want their students to be first position. Try and write something that is not what they like. You will see cross-checking. They will bring first CA, second CA, exam script for you, and they will be shouting on you. You'll be I've seen so many teachers crying about this. Please. And I just I don't know. I don't even know whether I'm helping. I just want to do this. I don't know. But it helps me a lot. So please, so many people bless my life for this. So I think I owe them. I have to do this. Uh-huh. So the grade. Now, for you to find the grade, first of all, you need to know your grade scaling. Your scaling. That is, for you to find the grade, you need a grading scaling. The this one, sorry, or the one I will use in this video, the one I will use in this video or in this particular video, it may differ from your own, but this is the ones I will use. If you score 0 to 39.9, that is if your average is 0 to 39.90 or 99, let me put 9 so that you know that, so that somebody will not score. That's the importance of using two decimal points. So if you score 0 to 39.99, is still F. If you score 40 to 49.99, is D. If your score or your average falls within the range of 50 to 59.9, is C. If your average falls or falls within the range of 60 to 69.99, is B. If you score 70 and above, is A. I'm just using this because of the video, so your own may differ. You can, some of you can even have A1 or A2 or A plus, or let me teach you this one. If you know how to do this one, you can even put D19 as a score. That's your own. So first of all, just follow this video quietly and make sure you understand everything. So now let's try. So in this particular aspect, sorry, it's going to take quite a lot of time because I want to explain everything. Now you see, you remember when we are finding the average, we the position, we use something that is not that common. It's not that common for those people that are new in programming language and so on and so forth. So, and I don't want this video to look as if I'm targeting only the programmers. No, the programmers only knows this even when it doesn't come to Excel. But I'm targeting the classroom teacher. You can just cram this particular formula. Make sure if you understand why the dollar sign is there, then you are done. And I think I've explained this particular dollar sign in the CA when I was finding the position in the CA sheet. So please, you will find the links of my previous videos on this particular video description. Thank you. So now to find the grade, we need the average column. So what is the cell address of the average? Is CZ5. So this is what I want to tell you about computer, about the curriculum. No matter how I try to explain, you people, some may not really understand. But I think the best way is for me to just try it with example. Let's just go dig in. If you have any issue, if you have any problem with your own, you just send me inbox or you just type on the comment section. I will try and get back to you. So the cell address is what? CZ. So what I'm going to do is, since I know my grading scaling, I'm going to use the if command, if statement. If I say if statement, that means I will run a multiple if, yes, a multiple if conditions. I will ask if this is this, if the Excel check is not this, do this. If it is not that, do that. If it is not, until it checks off, check on all the conditions. Now let me quickly show you what is happening. Now first of all, you type your equal sign as usual, because you're going to enter a function. If the open bracket, now the cell address is CZ5, the cell address of this particular average is CZ5. Then you type if CZ5 is less than or equals to, you understand, it's less than or equals to what, 39.99, comma, now double quotation, open double quotation, and type F, close the double quotation. Now you've then comma, now you're done with the first condition. You're done with the first condition. If you check CZ5 is less than or is equals to 39.99, just type F for that. So and if you look at CZ5, it's not less than 30, no, equals to 39.99, but it's a condition, because we need to run the condition throughout for the student, because there are some students that will fall within the range of this. Cool? Then another if, open bracket, don't close the bracket, another if, again, use the color of the bracket will change this time around, showing you that it's another command now you're giving. CZ5 again, up to now we are still running the command. If CZ5 is less than or equals to, sorry, less than, comma, is less than or equals to what, 49 49.99, right? So it's 49.9, yes, 49.99, comma, open double quotation, and then type what, D, close the quotation, comma, if, again, open bracket, CZ5. How can you know that this thing is working? If you can see the color of the open bracket you are doing is, in short, when you finish, if you have any mistake, Excel will show you that. So if CZ5 is less than or equals to 59.99, comma, open double quotation, type C, close quotation, comma, another condition again, if open bracket CZ5 is less than or equals to 69.99, comma, open double quotation, type B, then you close the quotation, and then for the last one now, comma, if, again, open the bracket, if CZ5 is equals to 70, if it's equals to 70, or if it's equals to or greater than, if it is equals to or greater than, this time around, yes, if it's equals to or greater than 70, comma, open double quotation, type A, close double quotation. So now, then what you're going to do, okay, before I close the bracket, I will quickly explain something here for you. Now, everything that you see inside this quotation, open quotation and open double quotation and close double quotation, they are the values that will appear if the condition is true. You understand? Now, next thing you're going to do, you're going to count how many open bracket did you open? How many open bracket you have? We have 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you are going to close. You're going to close with 5 close bracket. Close bracket 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you close them. Now you see Excel is following them with their colors here. It will show you the color here. So if you are done like this, once you press enter, and if you have an error, Excel will point at the error for you. That's one good thing about Excel. So I'll press enter. Yeah, I have error. Wow, nobody is a perfect. I'll press enter. So what Excel is asking me now is saying, you input. Thank God I've made a mistake, so that you people will not make a mistake and get frustrated and throw away and pieces your system. Now look at where Excel took me now. Sorry, look at where Excel took me now. It took me to a comma after CZ5 here. I supposed to remove the comma. That comma it's not supposed to be there. Then I'll press enter again. Good. No, it removes that particular error. Sometimes Excel do remove the error. I know. Now it's finished. Now just check your formula bar. This is the formula you need. This is the formula you need. Please try and understand what this formula is talking about. I hope I did my best to explain what the formula is all about. Now you see, this one is 51.20. Let me just copy the formula for the rest of the students so that I will explain. Yeah, good. Now see, somebody with a score 51.20 has C. Somebody 44.30, because it's between the range of 40 to 49.99. Look at 59 is C, 40 is D. We have F, somebody with 33.60 with F. We have another 26.40 with F. Then 91.60 is A. Now, you understand? I hope you people understand what I just did now. So please, if you find this video very interesting, please like this particular video. This is how you share this particular video on the YouTube community. Thank you. Till we meet in my next video. Thank you very much. I'm a kind of trying to like help so many people. I know so many people will just stop at the position because that is what is giving them tough head, but it's an added advantage. Please waste your data. Don't worry, just waste your data. It's worth it. In my next video, we'll look at how to find the comment, the remark. The comment is not necessary, but I just did it because I just want to like do some tricks there. Thank you and bye bye.